Welcome to the online course on Foundation Design, Theory and Practice. I am Professor Kameswara, Faculty of Engineering, University, Malaysia, Sabah, offering this online course. The course deals with analysis, design, and construction of foundations. What are foundations? Foundations are the structural elements which are interfaced in between the superstructure, that is the structure above the ground, and the soil strata below. The part of the foundation and the soil which are below the ground surface is called the substructure. All loads coming from the superstructure have to be supported by the substructure, that is foundation and the soil strata below, to make the superstructure safe and serviceable. For example, let us see the superstructure you are seeing in the video, that is Block A of Faculty of Engineering. We are now in front of Block A of Faculty of Engineering. We are seeing the 4-storied building of the A block of FKJ. The building has 4 floors and 1 seminar room on the 5th floor. Each floor has about 100 rooms of about 6 meters by 4 meters constructed area for offices, in addition to a 2-meter corridor all around. It also has a large foyer, offices, and medium-sized classrooms in ground floor, part of 3rd and 4th floors. About 2,000 students, faculty and staff use this building for lectures, administration, besides other activities like seminars, meetings, conferences, and other academic activities. This, being a public building, is subjected to large static and live loads on all the floors. Each floor thus has to carry an approximate load of 1 ton per square meter, live load and dead load. Thus transfers about 4 tons per square meter of constructed area through slabs, beams and columns, and finally through the walls. This amounts to about 30 tons per square meter to be transmitted through the supporting walls to the soil strata below. The soil here is sandy, silty clay and can safely carry only about 10 tons per square meter, while the load from the superstructure is about 30 tons per square meter, that is 3 times more than it can support. Hence, we have to introduce a structural interface between the superstructure and the soil, such that the load coming from the superstructure, about 30 tons per square meter, is spread over sufficient bearing area to make it safe for the soil to carry it, about 10 tons per square meter. This interfacing material, structural element, is called the foundation. This can be done by providing shallow foundations such as footings and ramps, called shallow since the foundation is near the ground surface, or a deep foundation such as piles, wells, caissons, etc., as per the needs of the superstructure and the existing soil strata at that site. This design aspect is a creative engineering exercise which is more of an art while using scientific principles of soil mechanics. The design also has to comply with the country, state, city, local authority specified codes and practices, besides local available expertise for construction and materials and soil strata at site. Thus, the building load is transferred to the soil through a proper foundation below. This course deals with these aspects for the design, analysis and construction of shallow and deep foundations. We will be following several books and references besides available codes for the course content. In particular, we will be using the main textbook as Foundation Design, Theory and Practice, authored by me and published by John Wiley and Sons, UK, Singapore in 2011. We are presenting the online course through several slides and audio narrations, besides small videos wherever necessary for each lecture. Hope you will enjoy the course and learn the art of foundation design supported by science of soil mechanics. Have a wonderful time.